Il coraggio di sognare, the courage to dream. 620 horsepower in a lightweight, balanced, and refined supercar, bringing vivacious curves, beauty, and precision to the automotive world. As stated in the countdown for the premiere, Alfa Romeo will reveal to the world a creation born from daring and passion. And boy, they were not wrong. It's a bridge between the past and the future. Quote, it's the cornerstone of the strategy for years to come. 333 kilometers an hour or 217 miles per hour is never something to scoff at. Now, the first of the original 33s was delivered to customers December 17, 1967, and the first of these new 33 Stradale will be delivered on December 17, 2024, with only 33 being made. Alfa sure did put on a show with this reveal. Heck, the production for this unveiling had to have cost more than my house, and it is refreshing to see the Stellantis, Alfa Romeo's new baby daddy, who incidentally happens to be Dodge's new baby daddy, isn't forcing Alfa to water down their ideas or designs, to reach for the stars, embrace change while holding strong to traditions and the passion which helped them achieve glory in the past. The rave-like setting for the unveil certainly embraced that. Respectful but not shy is exactly what CEO Jean-Philippe Imparato said. It's made to be a driver's car. No frills in the interior, just pure driving satisfaction. Now, the resemblance to the original 33 is striking and profound. Taking classic and timeless design and giving it new life by merging it with Speed Racer's Mach 1. Now, I don't know how they did it, but they did do it. Unfortunately, it's something that I'll most likely never be able to afford, as I was not born with a silver spoon in my mouth. However, it surely is a sight to behold. The price was not revealed and may not be for some time, especially since all 33 are already spoken for in order. Again, as stated in the countdown for the premiere, Alfa Romeo will reveal to the world a creation born from daring and passion. Boy, they weren't wrong.